Today we'll be talking about ethical issues associated with creating operating budgets. First thing to think about is just having honest books. Honesty is obviously an ethical principle at the heart of the budgeting process. If numbers that you crunch don't correspond with your actual business activities, then it's unlikely that your budget will reflect genuine ethical priorities. If your financial processes are clear, accurate, and transparent, they will provide you with the tools and information necessary to determine the best way to allocate your resources in ways that are consistent with your company's values. In contrast, fudge numbers are usually the basis for dishonesty and fraud. Responsibility, definitely another one to consider, is just the ethical business organization and its financial house in ways that reflect a deep understanding of the company's responsibility to a range of stakeholders, from its employees to its community to the environment. Many businesses' budgeting decisions involve choices between thoughtfully dealing with the consequences of many company policies and earning extra money by cutting corners. For example, a business that bases its profitability on paying wages that don't allow workers to adequately support themselves costs the community when these workers are forced to rely on public assistance. Another one is decency. Businesses are run by people, and they sustain themselves financially by meeting the ends of the business of the people who are their customers. Although the stereotype of a traditional business reflects an organization geared toward making money and at the expense of its basic humanity and decency, ethical companies actually build their bottom lines on principles of kindness and mutual gain. Ethical budgeting is built on the assumption that treating people well is worth the money that it costs and ultimately pays itself by earning the loyalty of the employees and customers. Another one to consider is conflict of interest. Ethical business budgeting steers clear of situations that involve conflicts of interest that can lead to dishonest accounting and improper allocation of resources. A manager who is also a stakeholder with a major vendor may opt to skew budgeting process to direct a disproportionate share of the company's purchasing revenue towards his own endeavor. Similarly, corporate officers who earn tremendous bonuses based on company profits may prioritize profit over ethical considerations. Ethical budgeting involves giving decision-making power primarily to people whose financial priorities are honest and clear.